Hello out there. I'm Alan.
Are we live?
I think we are.
Oh, hello out there. I'm Clay.
And we are the Acme Math Guys.
And this year we are bringing you another mathematical
Christmas
Christmas
problem.
problem, equation, conundrum, which it really is this year. So
we are going to do something a little bit different this year. We are going to answer our fan mail from the year. And here we are.
That's it.
And the letter reads, Dear Acme Math Guys, I am worried about Santa. He eats a lot while delivering presents. I know that he moves very fast, but is he moving fast enough to burn the calories that he takes in? And this is signed sincerely, Eric Henson.
Good old Eric Henson. What a great question for one piece of fan mail.
Yes.
So we actually have a Santa conundrum of cookies and milk. Hence our prop of cookies and milk. So here's what we're thinking, y'all, and we're going to stand up and talk about this a little bit. So we labeled this the Santa conundrum. So if Santa is eating 2 cookies, we just maybe bottled this up to be real simple. 2 cookies and an 8-ounce glass of milk. And that really burns around 250 calories. We looked at a regular Pillsbury slice of bake, go figure. So here's the problem that we have. Santa has roughly 500 million visits to make. It's a lot of stops, Alan.
And we did that research 2 years ago. If you would like to go back and check it, it's in our 2023 Christmas video.
Check it out. But, so, if that's the case, he's eating, drinking, consuming 1.25 times 10 to the 11th power. Alan, that's 125 what?
Billion.
Billion calories.
But it is not yet equal to our national debt.
That's true. So he's consuming this many calories, but you got to think about it now. He's working backwards on the globe to maximize the speed, 24 hours. He's getting all this done in one day, one evening per se. But here's the deal about this. How much does the average human calories burn? What is an average?
Average human burns about 3,000 calories per day.
The average. Alan and I are not average. We're above average. We're burning 3,001. So, but we figure Santa probably needs to burn a little bit more than that. So, if this is how much is happening in one evening, what's Santa doing the other 364 days? What kind of workout does he have? So we figured he's probably going a little bit above and beyond, trying to stay semi-rounded trim, if that works out for you. So we figure he needs to burn 6,000 calories a day. And that would be equivalent to 3 hours of intense cardio every day, the other 364 days of the year. So what that works out to, if we divide that out, his calorie intake divided by what he's actually burning through his workout, he would need 2.1 times 10 to the 7, which is
approximately 57,000 years.
57,000 years. This is 21 million days needed to just burn off what he did on Christmas Eve. So the weight gain here is almost, one, it's out of proportion and quite ununderstandable.
Yes.
I mean, we can't wrap our minds around this. We can't square this circle per se. So Santa needs a lot of time to just burn off the calories of 2 cookies and 1 milk per day. So what this really does is it becomes an if-then scenario.
Well, I went into the research as far as calculating what is the formula for burning calories. And there is a metabolic equivalent score that is approximately 13. You take that and you multiply it by your mass, and Santa Claus is 300 pounds, which is equivalent to 135 kilograms. Take that, we add it to the constant of 6.25 times Santa's height. Research again shows that his height is approximately 5'7", which is equivalent to around 170 centimeters.
I thought he'd be taller.
Yeah, but we've never really seen good, clear pictures of his parents.
Fair enough.
Yeah.
So we got to go with 5'7" then.
Yeah. And I think part of that is due to the fact that the next part is we take 5 and multiply it by his age, and because his age is 1,700 years, which is probably part of the reason why we've never seen pictures of his parents.
But can you imagine that Social Security check?
Man, that's getting
That's getting
hey,
up there.
and if he was a public educator,
Oh, we need more of them.
that 13th check is.
Whew. Purrs. I
Purrs.
just want to make it to 90.
I'm telling you. But also, that's probably part of the reason why he can afford to do toys for all the kids.
500
as
million
well.
visits.
Yeah. So then we add 5 to this number because he's a man, and we come up with a calculated score of negative 5676.
All right, so if I'm understanding the then part of this, he is gaining weight by breathing.
Gaining weight just by breathing.
I know
this
how he
age
feels
is
sometimes.
Yeah, this age is really working against him.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So how much does the average human gain or lose?
Well,
on a
the
day?
average human score is about 3,000 to 3,300.
Okay.
So, and that's on a positive number, not a negative number.
So we right now are burning calories by breathing.
Yes.
But he, based on the math, is earning calories.
Yes, just by breathing.
By breathing. No wonder this is a conundrum.
This is definitely a conundrum. And through all the research, we had to consult our good friends at ChatGPT.
You know, this might be the first answer we haven't come up with.
I think it is. But what conclusion did you
Well,
find
so
from
we
ChatGPT?
did ChatGPT, which we know they are always correct, and I have that somewhere. Oh, there it is. So, yeah, we just moved the camera on y'all. So, anyway, in case y'all don't know, this is live. So, anyway, so here's what the conclusion of ChatGPT gave us. Santa does not gain weight because he is not governed by standard human metabolic constraints. Alan, I wish I had that problem.
Yeah.
So
So next year we're going to invite our good friends at Chat to be the third Acme Math Genius.
So basically, his physiology,
Yes.
combined with well-timed reversal mechanics and magical energy of dissolving calories of intake, ensures perfect energy balance regardless of how many calories he's eating. So
You can't argue with that.
So Santa, does he gain weight?
He's Santa.
Does he lose weight?
He's Santa.
There's your answer, y'all. The Santa conundrum. Only answered by a generic ChatGPT answer, which they just said he doesn't lose or gain. I don't know. But this is the answer to our fan mail this year. Are you sure there's nothing else in here?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Y'all
but
help
that's
us out.
one more than we got last year.
There you go.
So,
Well,
again, I'm Alan.
And I'm Clay. We're the Acme Math guys. And as Wile E. Coyote said, genius. Merry Christmas, y'all. Thanks for watching. Spread the word. Share it out on social media for us. Thanks.
Thank you.